Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Book of Pepe token. Ticker symbol is BOPE. Now everybody knows who's involved with crypto these days that the Book of Meme token, BOME token, did amazing and continues to do amazing. And is trending on Twitter right now. Uploaded a video on the Book of Meme token a few days ago. It's got thousands of views. Everybody's interested in the Book of Meme token. And now we have all the spin-offs coming out. So I've seen a few of them. This one is trending right now. Number 4 on DEX Screener. And it is called the Book of Pepe token, ticker symbol BOPE. Of course, this is on the Solana blockchain. These Solana meme coins are super popular these days. Lots of hype around them. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the Book of Pepe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you're new to the channel, I post daily crypto videos. Recently, I've been posting a lot of information about these new Solana meme coins because they are all the rage these days. This one's trending right now, number 4 on DEX Screener. And it has a big market cap already, brand new project. It looks like their market cap right now is almost $500,000. They're at $422,640 market cap. They have $155,570 in liquidity on Raydium. They have 3,380 holders already. There is a total supply and circulating supply of 689.99 million Book of Pepe tokens. 24-hour trading volume right now for this token, $7.34 million. Going insane today. And they have right now 397.63 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 109.1 million pooled Book of Pepe tokens. So there is a DEX score for this token of 53 out of 99 and a community trust score of 60%. So it says only 1 vote. I mean, I don't know how you get 60% with 1 vote, but there you go. And then they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX Tools. You can find that there. Keep in mind it is not a full audit, and you should always look out for full audits, but there's no warnings on their quick audit. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So besides that, you can find this token also on SolScan. And it looks like it's a deflationary token because it's got one of them odd numbers like 689,995,017.5 tokens. Their official webpage is bookpepesol.com. Book of Pepe, all 3 different words is the name of the token, then BOP is the ticker symbol, 6 decimal places on this token. You can find their Telegram at BOPE Coin SOL, and their Twitter, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there, at Book Pepe Sol. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, all you would have to do is fund your Phantom wallet or your Solflare wallet or your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your SOL for the Book of Pepe token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, bookpepesol.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes here. Actually, it says 0% taxes on their page. So you probably will not have to worry about slippage, maybe around 1% at the most if it's a congested network, which it could be because Solana is going crazy these days. And yeah, so it started out with a 10 million token supply. It says, well, 10 million. What is it at right now? So right now it is okay, so that's incorrect on their webpage. It says 10 million tokens, but they have 689 million. So somebody made a typo there, of course. That never happens with crypto pages, these typos. But yeah, their webpage, bookpepesold.com, has links to their socials. It has a buy now button that will take you right to Raydium. Eventually, this token may also be available on Jupiter, Orca, and other decentralized exchanges, and maybe some centralized exchange listings. So it says, inspired by the vibrant legacy of Book of Meme and the creative genius of artist Matt Fury and Dark Farms. Now, Dark Farms is the person who did the Book of Meme there. And there's a video I just uploaded on a token called Smowl, and that is based on Dark Farm's character as well. We introduced a Book of Pepe, a groundbreaking meme token on the Solana blockchain, and they have the contract address on their page here. It says, "Hey there, I'm Bope. Our mission is to perpetuate the wild and whimsical spirit of Pepe, a meme that has captured the hearts worldwide and symbolizes the endless possibilities of internet culture. By leveraging Solana's cutting-edge technology, a Book of Pepe aims to ignite the new era of meme trends, fostering a community where creativity knows no bounds. Our token isn't just a digital asset, it's a tribute to the artistry and anarchic joy that Pepe represents. Join us on this audacious journey to create, share, and immortalize the craziest memes. Let's keep the Pepe trend alive and thriving, pushing the boundaries of what memes can be on the blockchain." So no taxes. It is that simple. And besides that, this token is up right now 1,173%, but that's going to fluctuate, of course. This token's going crazy today. Like I said, trending in the top 10 on DEX Screener. Hasn't made it to trending on DEX Tools yet, but it is, number 4 on DEX Screener right now. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.